that deep, bro. Ain't that deep. All I did was kill some relatives. Can't even find you anymore. Oh, you're over there. You see me? You see this?
There's a lot of fun. I'm in a cop car right now.
You stole one?
Yes. I'm in one of the SWAT vans. That's me, don't shoot at me.
Oh, that is you?
Yes. I stole a fucking paddy wagon. I'm going after some guy right now.
On my way. 5 stars pretty much.
Yo, he's picking up someone else.
Who?
This guy.
I'm on my way. I'm on my way.
I blew him up! Yes!
You blew him up?
I killed 2 people!
No, those are the guys I was at. I almost stopped.
Alright, I'll roll with you. Oh, bounty near us! Bounty, bounty, bounty!
Bounty? Let's go.
Bounty, bounty, bounty!
Oh,
I need you.
Oh, that 6 drift almost killed me though.
Oh, now I'm the bounty! Oh no!
I just put another bounty on you, but I can't because you're not broke.
That's funny though.
That bounty was freaking a little to be honest.
Did I get him?
Dead. Oh, you killed it, dog. You did it.
He tried.
Oh. Anyway, can you come pick me up while I wait for you? Huh?
Yeah, I'm coming for you.
I was talking about deer hunt.
Oh, there's somebody here. Did I kill him right before he gets to...
No, let's...
He tried to kill me! He tried to kill me!
Okay, fair enough. Cargo Bob, we need a Cargo Bob. Come to the Cargo Bob.
That was funny!
Die. Yo, chill out for a minute so I can take you out. Does not help me.
I'm gonna tell him Ride's here.
Whoa. Rude's here. What the fuck?
Land! Not there! Over here.
I got him. Oh. Oh, I'm gonna dump him in the ocean.
Yeah, go dump him in the ocean!
Yeah, I'm dumping him in the ocean.
Go dump him! Oh!
I want to trip your favorite piece of shit.
I wanna see it happen! I wanna see it drop! Nice there! Where are we going? Welcome to the Ocean Express! No, don't do that! You will.
He jumped.
Oh, fuck! That would have been funny! That would have been so fucking funny! Oh, damn it, that would have been funny! Let's go!
Can you kick him out?
Huh?
I want to kick him out of the car.
No, I don't want to. Oh, I like this guy. He's kind of chill.
Lame.
What's his name again? Tell him I'm not capping. We broke too.
Alright, we're gonna go find a flare. Hold up.
Yo, I'm gonna text him.
Text him and say we're going to pick up the car.
How do I text him on?
You go to your phone and message my contacts and put message on it.
Alright. And what's his name again?
I'm fucking, I'll figure it out. I'm going to pick up this guy. Never mind, it's not him. I'm gonna ball this bitch. Guy right there. Might be in a car, I think he is there. After him. Yo, say Ocean is on board.
Ocean Express on board, alright. When we pick him up?
Yeah, let me pick this guy up. Boom.
Oh, he wants to do KO. Some dude, he does 20, 20, 25, 25, 25.
No, I don't want it. I've done KO way too much, bro. No fun. Way too good. Honestly? Shit.
That's what I was trying to say.
Shit, he ain't stopping, bro. Oh, how do we get wanted, bro?
The wanted? Yo, pick up his car, pick up his car.
No.
He left it. He left it.
He's going to do shit.
We're trying to sell some. Period. You wanna give me some money?
Oh, I got it.
Oh my god, let's go pick up all the broke people. Look at the fucking chat.
Oh, where you got out?
Yeah.
Why? Where'd you go?
I didn't mean to get out. I died. We broke, but we go. Yo, I'll give him a car. You pick me up.
No, you have to pick up someone else, bro. Get in.
I'll just do this to
Get in.
push the person. I'm trying to get out. Oh, just let me.
We actually need to get one level.
That's funny. Yo, pick up that guy!
I got him.
I got him! Yes! Oh shit! Go back down! Get him, get him!
No! Can I get him?
You get him!
I got it! I got it!
You got it!
We got it! Yo, we got it!
We got it! We got it! Wait, let's bring this to LS Customs. Fucking sell it.
Oh, we can't start big.
Gang, gang!
Videos in the sky. We got that. He left. Oh, they're all moving. Shit.
Oh shit.
Why am I...
I'm here.